Hello, can you give me your name and then tell me your experience with our program that you just finished?
My name is Chris. I have been using this program for about a month, a little over now, and I've noticed a lot of color changing in the gums back to the color they're supposed to be, not beet red. Feel a lot more energetic throughout the day because of the vitamins I've been taking, less fatigued. Overall, it's working wonders on my mouth in just a month.
I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Was it the heart program to go through?
No, not at all.
Good.
Very, very easy.
Good.
Very painless.
So good. I'm glad the supplements are working good along with cleaning your mouth up for you. All right. Thank you.
Absolutely.